Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice and today's video is a mashup of a vlog and a cleaning video. So for the folks that want cleaning, it's right at the front, and for the folks that are here for vlogs, it's right after the cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button for the folks that have been here for a while. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. So this is our afternoon routine right before dinner, so enjoy. I will get up again.
For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me. Touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me. Touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
The twins are getting ready to start their chores.
Shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young.
Good morning, guys. So I just came back from Target. I ordered a sign for the kids' bathroom because I'm trying to. I've been redoing the children's bathroom for a hot little minute now, and I ordered a sign. Well, I have two signs that I had intended to put in their bathroom from the Heart and Hand collection. And I ordered one sign, and I saw that they had another one that says remember to flush, and then the other one said to remember to wash your hands or something like that. And I figured those are great signs for little kids, you know, just to remind them, because every time I go in their bathroom, their toilet is always filthy, like they leave the urine and stuff, so I always have to go in there to make sure that they flush it. They flush the toilet. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what I got, the sign, show you what the sign looks like, and also what I got from the Target Dollar Spot line this year. They have some really pretty, they had some really pretty stuff, but I only got what I needed. So let me show you guys. So the sign that I ordered online and picked up in store is this one. It says remember to flush, and then I have the other one which is kind of square. Yes?
That's in my hole.
Who?
That's in my hole.
That's when they make popsicle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
She wants a popsicle?
Yeah.
Okay. I will give her a popsicle in a little bit, okay? Alright. So, from the Dollar Spot, I got this vase, vase, whatever you want to call it. It's just black and white. I love the pattern. And I'm thinking of putting it in the boys' room because the boys' room will be black and white. The twins, their room is black and white. So I'm thinking I could put floral arrangement in here and put it in their room. And then to redo my tiered, not tiered, but my turntable on here, I got these because I feel like they would be great for that. It says olive oil, extra virgin, and this was $3. I think they're so super cute. And this one says balsamic vinegar. Put the two together. Let me show you guys. So, this is my table situation. So just have that little plant. And then I have salt and pepper. So I was thinking of putting these two over there. So we're gonna do this. I need to clean off my table. But how stinking cute.
Oh, that's your head?
I think that is so cute. And then put your little salt, pepper, of course. But we could probably push this over a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why we're struggling so much. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yep. And on that side it says welcome friends. Perfect. Then I got these little plant situation, plant pots, whatever, for $1. How cute. How cute. Thinking of putting it right here with some plant. Thinking I could put it here. Take out one of these and just set it there. How cute is that? And then put a little plant in there. I got two of those pattern, and then there's polka dot. I wasn't really a fan of this one, but I got it just in case. I could probably put this in Destiny's room. But I think they're super cute. And for $1. Can't beat that. Okay, so we are in the, oh my gosh, this stuff. Okay, so we are in the kids' bathroom. This is their shower curtain. I really love their shower curtain. And we did the board and batten treatment on their wall. And I'm painting a dark gray. Still have yet to finish the painting, and I started months ago. I'm lazy. So I got this one, wash your hands. It's not remember to wash your hands, it's wash your hands. So I got that one. And then of course, I just picked this one up. There are two different side shapes, which I don't mind. And I'm gonna put them in this little slot right here, one over the toilet. Oh, well, the slots are both over the toilet. So I'm gonna put it there. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, okay? Okay guys, do not mind, I'm still painting, I'm just lazy. So, this is what it looks like. It says remember to flush and wash your hands. And then I have to put the shelves up. And then still have a ton more to do in here, but we're making progress. We're making progress. Okay guys, so last year I was gonna do my own shelves for the kids' bathroom. I found this really nice thick piece of lumber that I found in the trash because they're still building around here. So I found this really nice thick piece of lumber, and I took it out the trash, sanded it down, stained it, and I ordered these hooks from Amazon. It got drywall dust all over it, but it just looks like this, and it has a little lip, so it would go like that on the wall. And the board is like extremely wide, and at first I was like, I'm not gonna put that in my kids' bathroom because I just don't know how it would hold up. But I found these drywall anchors that you can actually screw into the wall using your screwdriver. So I went ahead and screwed the anchors in because there's no stud on this back wall where I need the brackets to go. So I have to make sure that I have anchors in the wall because I don't want this come tumbling down. So I have my anchors up, and then I'm gonna put this guy up, and then I spray painted the screws because they're silver. I spray painted them black, so they're out in the garage drying right now. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and measure for the second shelf up top how far up I want that, and then put the anchors in that, and then by then the screws will be dry so I can put this stuff up and move on to my next project of the day, which I don't know what that is yet. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm out of breath because I've been running up and down the stairs into the basement to kind of like shop my house for decor pieces for the shelf. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what I did, and I'm gonna go shop Hobby Lobby. I think they're open online. I'm gonna go shop Hobby Lobby online and see if I can find some more pieces to go on the shelves, and then probably show you guys in another video what it's looking like. And then I have to get some more nicer towels for the hooks, and then I'll take pictures and put them on Instagram. So anyways, let's get into the shelf situation. Okay, so on this little vase, I've had this forever. Put those up. I have, I think, 2 more Ds that I can put here and put some towels and stuff in there. And then up here is where I'm gonna put like decorative things where the kids can't touch it. So that's what it looks like. And then of course I have to get the nicer towels for over there, but I like it. So hubby's home and we're just chilling out on the deck. Look at Matt's face. What's wrong? I'm having some popcorn. Rob is having a Long Island iced tea. He just picked this up today. And he's getting ready to grill me some sausage on the grill. And the other kiddos are over there on the trampoline. And I'm just enjoying this beautiful day. So, hubby came home early and took me out for a ride just to get out the house, you know. And so I don't start getting like, you know, cabin fever. And he's making dinner tonight, even though tonight is my night. He's taking charge of that. So I love that man. He's amazing. Anyways, that's it for today. Such a chill day. I'll see you guys in the morning.